Right, so a quick demo of the table. So this is what I really like. I made these nut fasteners out of hardwood with threaded screws. Now you can move it. And I put the rulers on the fence because that way when I have a line down the blade, down the router bit, I can see it here. So instead of a line from one tool, it covers all the tools, and you can flip the fence the other way around, and then you just fasten it. And then, so you have the 3 switches. And this one I bought myself and set it up. So I moved the router speed setting from the the Jigsaw externally. And you can lower them, you can tilt them. So this is the circular saw. Which way does it go? Lower it. Then you can also tilt it. Oh, I need to loosen it first. Then you can tilt it. Kind of hard to do this one hand. Tighten it. Then just demonstrate. Oh, fuck's sake. Just a demonstration. It's quite loud. Then the router. Split razors. Start it. Then lastly the jigsaw. Oh, and this actually, I made this collet stopper externally, so you can pull it, then you can loosen it to change the bit. Same goes here. I'll put one here as well for the jigsaw. The only thing I need to replace is the bolts, because at the moment they stick out. I need countersunk ones like those, so it would be smooth. Well, actually it took me quite a while, was getting these hardwood pieces of the fence to get them perfectly square, so it doesn't get catch on at all. And lastly the jigsaw. I like the speed pretty low. But yeah, all connected through one cable. So the wiring is very neat as well. It's got a label for how much degrees there is, but I just need a pointer pointing at it as well. But yeah, the rulers, very nice. I'll just need a label of where it actually is, the lines, and where this blah blah blah. Yeah. Dust collection, there's no dust collection at the moment really. But yeah, this actually took much longer than expected. This took around 4 weeks rather than one. I was expecting like 1 week.